Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. Today I have Ultimate Ears Wonderboom EXC waterproof Bluetooth speaker wireless boom box. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Wow, looks so nice. What a color combination, blue and orange. I like it. It comes in multiple color combinations. Wow, so good, nice. And what else in the box? Charging cable, yellow, nice. Looks so nice, huh? And I think there are some papers like user manual, safety sheet, warranty card. These are all the things, I don't need this. I just need the Bluetooth speaker. Okay. What a fabric, nice. Rugged fabric, rubbery on the top and rubbery on the bottom. This is volume up and volume down button. So big button. Volume up and down. So this is power on off button. And this one is Bluetooth pairing button. And in the center, if you press one time for play and pause, and press two times to skip to the next song. That's nice. That's so nice. Okay, so what's here? I think must be a charging connection. That's nice. So nice. It looks good, man. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. So this is IPX7 waterproof. You guys can enjoy your music around water, in the pool, on the beach. So this speaker submerged in 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. That's awesome. And the drop proof from 5 feet. That's good, man. That's good. From 5 feet. And the Bluetooth range is 100 feet. So you guys can enjoy your music without any dropping out, man. So this is 360-degree sound, Bluetooth speaker, crisp, clear sound with big, beautiful bass. 10 hours battery life in single charge. So you guys can wirelessly connect, 2 Wonderbooms for party louder. That's good, man. That's good. And the weight is only 1.15 pounds. Okay, so I think it's time to listen the music and check the performance of this Ultimate Ears Wonderboom EXC waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Let me turn on the Bluetooth speaker. Nice sound. So nice. Okay, and it's connected to my phone. Okay, that's good, man, because I already make some YouTube shorts, so that's why. So let's listen the music and check the performance of this Bluetooth speaker. Wow, so nice. Crisp, clear sound with deep bass. Nice, so nice Bluetooth speaker. Under $70 in United States. So it comes in multiple colors, IPX7 waterproof, drop proof, 360-degree sound, 10 hours of battery life, connect to Wonderboom, so party louder, so many things. And that's it, man. That's it. It's good, man. It's good. It's really boom, boom, man. Wonderboom, boom. It's boom speaker, Bluetooth speaker. So if you guys like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.